Hi guys, I'm here today with the Pontiac G5 and it has an exhaust leak that I suspect is in the flex pipe. So let's go have a look. So the flex pipe on these is way up against the exhaust manifold, and we can see that this one has all the stainless mesh broken away and the inner pipe is exposed and leaking, so we're going to have to replace it. This video is sponsored by Muffler Express. They're always my go-to for OEM spec aftermarket exhaust parts. You can check them out at mufflerexpress.ca. So I start by cutting the exhaust just after the flex pipe and disconnect the O2 sensors, then cut the exhaust just before the resonator so it's easier to handle. Then I remove the exhaust section from the car. Now I need to remove the old flex pipe by removing the 3 nuts that hold it to the exhaust manifold. These are extremely rusty and I have my doubts they'll come off, but by hammering the socket onto them with a long extension and using my cordless impact gun, I'm lucky this time and get them off. With the flex pipe out of the way, I scrape off any remaining gasket material so the new gasket can seal better. Next I need to remove the O2 sensor so I can transfer it to the new flex pipe. I start by using an O2 socket and ratchet, but it kept slipping. So I tried clamping a pair of vice grips on the socket, but that didn't help either. Next I try heating the sensor up with an induction coil. Then try the socket again, but still no luck. At this point I'm done playing games, so the welder comes out and I tack a washer to the sensor nut, then weld a bit of steel to it so I can use a large wrench to remove the sensor. That worked like a charm. Here I try to figure out the alignment of the old flex pipe so I can install the new one from Muffler Express in the correct orientation. I hold them side by side and visualize how it's going to fit and make a few marks for alignment and the cuts I need to make. So I cut off the old pipe and trim the new one to the length I need. I align my marks and tack the pipe in place. Then I weld it up. Next I reinstall the O2 sensor. Back at the car I install the new flange gasket and slide the exhaust into place. Then tighten it down with the 3 nuts. Now I reattach the back of the exhaust to the resonator with a new piece of pipe and weld all that back together. Next I reconnect the O2 sensor wires. This turned out to be more difficult than it should have been. The connectors are very hard to reach. And that's it. We have the new flex pipe installed and we should be good for a while. I'd like to thank the folks at Muffler Express for their support and recommend you check them out for your exhaust needs. Well, that's going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.